it's going to affect my whole body. You know, I could really mess up the hair. Clog my pores, depending what kind of weather it is.
What are you doing? Stop it.
What the hell is going on in here?
She came on to me.
Help me! Shut her up, asshole. Push, Miss Tilly, push.
I am pushing you, little star fucker.
Pay no attention to little Miss Potty Mouth. She's hormonal.
Oh my God. It's coming.
I can see its little head. Chucky, we're not done here yet.